If you are in the fintech space, your website is not just marketing tool. It's the foundation of trust between you and your users. Whether it's a digital banking, investment platforms, payment solutions, or crypto services, a fintech website needs to be clear, secure, and conversion focused. The challenge: most fintech websites struggle with two things: trust and simplicity. If your website is not transparent, easy to navigate, and professional, potential users won't even sign up. In this video, I will break down the essential sections every fintech website needs, and as I explain, you will see examples of each section on the screen so you can visualize how it should be structured. And to make things easier, I am offering a free Figma wireframe for the perfect fintech website layout. You can download it from the link in the description and use it as a reference while building your website. We will go step by step through the key sections, starting with the hero section, then moving into trust elements, product features, security measurings, regulatory compliance, pricing, testimonials, FAQs, and more. By the end, you will have a clear roadmap for creating a high-converting fintech website. I have worked with many fintech companies, and one thing is clear: designing for this space is different from SaaS or e-commerce. Security concerns, regulatory requirements, and clear messaging are more important than ever. A complicated or unstructured site makes users hesitant to trust your platform. But when you're done right, a fintech website can build credibility and drive massive adoption. Hey, I'm Ansif. I'm a Webflow and Primer developer helping businesses build high-converting websites. If you are looking to create or optimize your fintech website, this video will help you understand exactly what needs to be done. Let's start with the first and most important section, your hero section. The first impression of your fintech website matters more than anything. Your headline should be clear and directly communicate what your product does. Fintech users want transparency. Avoid vague or gimmicky headlines. Instead of saying a smarter way to manage money, say, send, save, and invest in one secure app. The subheading should reinforce the product's key benefits. Your call to action should be strong and specific, like get started today or create your account. And don't forget a visual representation. This could be a dashboard screenshot, a mobile app interface, or quick demo video of the platform in action. Now let's talk about trust and credibility. Because in fintech, this is everything. Users are trusting you with their financial data. So trust signals should be visible from the start. Logos of partnered banks, financial institutions, or security certifications should prominently displayed. If your platform is used by well-known companies, highlight those brands early on. If you have been featured in major media outlets like Forbes or TechCrunch, include those mentions. Testimonials from real customers or case studies showing how users benefited from your platform further reinforce trust. Security and compliance must be a dedicated section on your website. Unlike SaaS website, where security is expected, in fintech you need to clearly show users how their money and data are protected. People won't trust financial platform unless they feel safe using it. Make sure to highlight key security measures like data encryption, two-factor authentication, and fraud protection. If your platform follows financial regulations or industry standards, mention it in simple terms. Let users know your platform is built with security in mind. Adding trust badges for secure transaction and compliance can help reassure users that their data is safe and your platform is legitimate. Now let's move to the features section. This is where clarity is key. Fintech products often have multiple features: payments, lending, investing, subscriptions. But users don't need to see everything at once. Break your features into clear, easy to understand sections. If your platform offers multiple services, consider using an interactive tabbed layout where users can switch between product features. Instead of saying advanced AI-powered investing, explain what it actually does. Automate your investments with AI-powered portfolio management. Make sure each feature highlights the user benefit. A how it works section is essential for fintech websites. Users want to know how to get started, so lay out the process in a simple step-by-step format. Whether it's sign up, verifying identity, start transitioning, or link your bank, set a goal, start saving, the goal is to reduce friction. If there is an approval process or verification steps involved, mention it briefly so users know what to expect. Pricing in fintech must be transparent. Hidden fees drive users away. If your platform has fees, transaction fees, subscription costs, or interest rates, make sure they are clearly displayed. Avoid small text and hidden disclaimers. A comparison table can help break down different pricing tiers. If you offer a free version, make it clear what's included and what's not. The more transparent you are, the higher the trust factor. Fintech websites should always have a strong FAQ section. Users will have questions about security, fees, account verification, or transaction limits. The fewer doubts they have, the more likely they are to sign up. Group FAQs by category so users can quickly find answers without getting overwhelmed. A well-structured footer can build trust and improve navigation. In FinTech, a footer is not just for links. It should be reinforced credibility, include customer support options, legal disclaimers, privacy policies, and regulatory license. If your company is registered under financial authorities, mention it. Also include direct access to security policies, compliance information, and press coverage. Now let's talk about the final and most important element, a strong call to action. Your primary CTA, whether it's a sign up or get started, should be consistent throughout the website. Don't just place in the hero section and forget about it. It should appear at the end of key sections, such as features, pricing, and trust building areas. Make it easy for users to take the next step without scrolling back up. When all these sections come together, you get a FinTech website that feels secure, easy to navigate, and conversion driven. Each section plays a role. Your hero section captures attention, your trust signal reassure users, your features and security sections build credibility, and your pricing and FAQ pages remove hesitation. The goal is to reduce friction and guide users towards signing up with confidence. And to make this process easier, I am offering a free Figma wireframe of this exact FinTech website layout. You can download it from the link in the description and use it as a reference when designing your own website. If you are building a FinTech website and need expert development in Webflow or Framer, I have worked with many FinTech companies to build high-performing, trust-focused sites. If you need help, check the contact link in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I love to hear your thoughts.